Hello, my dear children. Once again, welcome back to your favorite subject, mathematics. In the previous class, we have studied the topic time and clock, and even though we have finished the exercise also, that is page number 109 and 110. Even though I have given a homework to complete. Hope so you all completed. And today we are going to see our next topic, that is long and short duration events. Okay, children. So long and short duration events. So here during the day we do a different activity, isn't it? So in a day we are doing a different activities. Elders do their own activities and you all children, you do your own activities, that is playing or writing homework or studying, or again you're watching TV or playing in the mobile or many things, isn't it? Yes, that is all called activities. So some of them are for a short duration. Okay, some of them, in that some activities are short duration while others are for a longer period. So very short, some activities like watching TV, only you will watch for a like a 15 minutes or 20 minutes or a 1 hour. So that is a very short duration. But some activities, it takes a longer period. Okay, so here they have given the example. You can see here, we go to bed at night and get up at in the morning, isn't it? So like a 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock we go to bed to sleep, but we get up at in the morning, that is maybe 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. So this is what we call a longer period, isn't it? Like a 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours we sleep, that is a longer period. So our sleep is for a long duration. So in the morning we have a breakfast. So for example, we get up at 6 o'clock, or you children, or you will get up at like a 7:30, and after that you will have at 8:30 or 9 o'clock you will have your breakfast. That is very short duration, that we say a short duration. So it takes only a short duration, like a 1 hour, 1.5 hour, only this much gap. So but also taking breakfast is an earlier activity of the day, while going to bed is a later activity. Did you get, children? Yes. So we sleep and we get up at morning, that is a longer duration. Okay, but after getting up and we will have our breakfast or some other activities, that is a short duration, because this is not a too much hour. Okay, only 1 hour or 2 hour gap. But taking a breakfast is an earlier, but while going to bed is a later activities, because from the morning till night we can count the hour, so it be a very later activity, that is called a longer duration. Okay, so here they have given a exercise. Just you see, classify the daily activities of Rohit as short or long duration events. Okay, here they have given a Rohit's activities, daily activities. Just we have to classify the short duration events and long duration events of Rohit. Okay, the first one, A. Rohit wakes up at 9 o'clock, at 6 o'clock. Okay, Rohit wakes up at 6 o'clock. And B. Rohit has his breakfast at 7 o'clock. Rohit has classes from 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Rohit returns from school at 3 o'clock. Rohit plays from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the evening. Rohit studies from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Rohit watches TV from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Rohit has dinner at 9 o'clock. Rohit goes to bed at 10 o'clock. This is Rohit's daily activities. Okay. Now we have to classify, we have to divide his short duration events and long duration events. Okay. Just already I have explained you which is the short duration and which is the long duration. Okay. So which one we can say Rohit's short duration, children, here? Yes, B. We can say B is a his short duration events, because he gets up at 6 o'clock and within 1 hour, okay, he will have his breakfast, like a 6 to 7. There is a 1 hour gap. So that is we can call short duration events. Okay, next one. The next one which we can say his short duration events. Yes, here we can say G. Okay, Rohit watches TV from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Here also we can see a 1 hour activity or duration. So 8 to 9 he watches TV. So we can say B and G, a very short duration of Rohit's. Okay, now we'll see a long duration events. So first we can see a C. Here you can see Rohit has classes from 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock. So from 9 to 2 means 9 after 10, 11, 12. So after that 1, 2. So total 5 hours he has a class. So that is a long duration, isn't it? So we can say a C. After that we can say Rohit returns from school at 3 o'clock. Okay, from 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock he will be at school. So from 9 o'clock to, you can count till 3 means how many hours, children? 9 after 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So total 6 hours he will be in the school. So that is his long duration events. Okay. After that we can say last one, that is Rohit goes to bed at 10 o'clock. So he get up at 6 o'clock. He goes to bed at 10 o'clock. That is a longest duration events, isn't it? It's a long period event. So we can say a C, D and I. This is a long duration events. So here I wrote the answer, children, short duration and long duration. So even you too can write the same thing in your textbook. Okay, next one. We'll move to the next one, that is write 2 earlier activities of Rohit in the day. Earlier means very short duration. Okay, like a 1 hour, like only this much gap should be there. Okay, so write 2 earlier activities of Rohit in the day. Only 2 earlier activities we have to write. So which we can say first one, we can say a B. Rohit has his breakfast at 7 o'clock, because there is only 1 hour gap. After that, which we can say H. Not H, sorry children, here G. Rohit watches TV from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Only 1 hour gap. So that is a earlier activities. Okay. After that, mention any 3 later activities of Rohit. Later, like a 2 hour, 3 hours activities. So any 3 means we can say the first one is Rohit returns from school at 3 o'clock. No, we can say this one, children. This is too longer, okay? So, this we can say. Rohit has classes from 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Okay? After that, see after that, we can say E. Rohit plays 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. 4, then there is a 2 hours distance or 2 hours gap. Not distance, duration it is. Okay? 4 to 6 means 2 hours duration. After that, we can say F. Rohit studies from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. That is, here also we can say a 2 hours duration. So that is his later activities. Okay. Next one. This is your homework, children. Write any 3 activities which take you longer duration to do. So which takes your activities, it takes too much longer, children. So some children are very lazy to write. So you can write a studying or homework, or some children are very, they takes too much to eat, isn't it? That also you can write and think and write the here answer. Okay, next one, mention any 3 activities you do within a short duration, very short duration, within a like a hour or like a half an hour. So which is where you takes a very short duration to do activities like playing, watching TV, or some children are very fast in studying, like writing homework, or you will have your breakfast or lunch very soon, so that also you can write. Okay children, so complete this 4 and 5 is your homework children. And after that, here I wrote a answer, that is B and G, that is two earlier activities of Rohit. B and G, that is Rohit has his breakfast at 7 o'clock and Rohit watches TV from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, that is two earlier activities of Rohit. The next one, any three later activities, that is we can say a C, that is classes from 9 to 2. After that, E, Rohit plays from 4 to 6. Okay, then F, Rohit studies from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. That is his later activities. Okay, later activities of Rohit. So here we have completed today's topic, that is long and short duration events. Okay, so today's your homework is you have to write these all the things in your textbook itself. Whichever I have given the answers, you have to write in your textbook itself. No need to write in your classwork book. And kindly read this all the paragraph and try to understand this. Okay, long and short duration, and read the exercise before writing the answer. Okay children, so see you in the next class. Take care and bye bye. Thank you.